Alright, so we're now in Bangkok and we've been here a few days already, but I've been food poisoned from Cambodia. Today we're going to go to Songkran Festival, which is the New Year festival in Thailand. So hopefully you enjoy it. Switching to GoPro. Alright, so we did a spot of shopping today. James had to buy a new iPhone cable, and yeah, it's interesting. I'll let you have a look. How is it, James?
Looks like a bloody strip club in my bed.
James, how are you going to sleep when that's charged?
She sold me it like, during the daytime, so I couldn't see it.
Right, let's turn the lights off, see what it looks like.
How am I supposed to sleep? This will be me in bed. Do you mind turning off the lights?
Just browsing through your Instagram at night.
Oh, sorry guys. Charging my phone. Imagine when we're in a 10-man dorm. Oh.
So today we're just exploring Bangkok, and we're on our way to Chinatown, and then after that we're going to an airplane graveyard, which is a bit different, but see what it's like.
Airplane graveyard? Money on. I don't know what we say here.
Sorry, where is it?
The aeroplanes with the...
I showed him like the...
Ready to take off.
So we're in this aeroplane graveyard, just having a look around. You do it, Tom?
In one of these.
Wedge thing. Tom, give me a hand.
Oh!
Yeah, I put the I put the carpet struggle to get out. One on the right. Dear. Whoa, this is pretty cool inside.
This is your captain speaking. A huge phallic object has entered the cabin.
Here,
Cabin pressure is now down to 0.
What does this thing do? Oh god, oh god, oh god! Alright, so we've just left the aeroplane graveyard, and we're now on our way to the Baiyoke Tower, but it took us a while to get a taxi 'cause No one spoke English. Baiyoke Tower 2, tallest building, big building. I'm not sure he knows. I'm not sure our driver knows what's going on.
Main thing is we're in attack.
Yeah, Baiyoke Tower.
Soy right, soy.
Yeah.
Name soy.
Yeah. Yeah. That is the tower we're going up.
Baiyoke, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, B-A-I-Y-O-K-E, Baiyoke.
Yeah, Baiyoke.
Sky Hotel.
Yeah. Thank you. Alright, so we've just got our tickets. Let's go to the 84th floor. Thank you. Yeah, Sky Buffet restaurant. So we're at the top now, and the views are very impressive, I have to say. Wow, it's just a massive city. If you get the chance to come up here, definitely do it. It's only like
Yeah, if you're in London.
next time you're in Bangkok.